Hi guys, this is Taquisha Batchan and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make the perfect peach cobbler, so stay tuned. Okay guys, the first thing I did was preheat my oven to 375 degrees and I cut 2 pieces of saran wrap as seen on the video for the pie crust later. Then I just added 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour and added 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of table salt and just whisk until combined. I'm just adding in 1 stick of butter, and also I cut the sticks of butter into small pieces to make the dough easier to work with. Now all I'm going to do is just cut up 1 stick of the Crisco butter flavor shortening and add it to the bowl. And then I'm going to mix the ingredients until the mixture look like large crumbs. My daughter decided she just wanted to do a new edition debut in the middle of my video, so and now I'm just adding in 1/2 cup of ice cold water. And all I'm doing is just rolling this dough into a ball, and then I'm going to place it inside of the saran wrap on the counter, and then I will refrigerate it. This is one of the 2 crusts that I have to make because this is the bottom crust, so you will need to repeat these steps for your top crust, and then you will refrigerate them for 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's time to make the peach filling. All I'm doing is just pouring 2 cans of peaches into the saucepan. And now all I'm doing is just adding 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 6 tablespoons of butter. Now I'm going to stir the ingredients over a medium-low heat until the liquid is syrupy. Okay guys, I almost forgot to put 3/4 cups of sugar in the filling, so just keep stirring until the sugar is dissolved. Hey guys, I taped down a piece of wax paper to my counter to make the cleanup a little bit easier for me. As you can see here, I have 2 pie crusts, one for the bottom and one for the top. So now I'm going to just roll out the crust on a flour surface until it's about 1/8 of an inch thick. Okay guys, the pie crust doesn't look as good as it usually looks, but I'm not a professional and I'm getting better every day, so it'll work for me. Now all I'm doing is just putting the pie crust at the bottom of this pan. I'm adding the peach filling to the bottom pie crust, and then I'll add the top pie crust. I'm going around the edges of the pie with the fork because it'll give the pie a better look. But also, you can see that some of the edges of the pie is thicker than others. And I'm just using that fork just to straighten those areas out. Now I'm getting the aluminum foil and covering the edges of the pie so that they won't burn. Now I'm getting ready to put the pie in the oven to bake for 35 to 45 minutes or until the pie is golden brown. This pie smells so good. I'm getting a piece now. I can't wait. If you guys like what you have seen today, hit the like, comment, and subscribe button. Until next time, bye.